In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube thumbnails to your Google Sheets. This is a really handy trick if you're organizing video content, tracking performance, or building any kind of content calendar. Instead of just looking at long URLs or video titles, you can actually see the thumbnail image right inside your spreadsheet. It makes everything more visual and a lot easier to scan. First, start by opening the YouTube video whose thumbnail you want to use. You can do this in any browser, and it doesn't matter if it's your own video or someone else's. Just make sure you're on the actual video page, not the channel page or a search results page. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the video title, the player, and the usual YouTube controls. Next, move your mouse over the thumbnail image. A simple way to do this is to pause the video, then hover over the video player so you can see the still image clearly. Now right-click on that image. In the menu that appears, look for an option that says Copy Image Address or Copy Image Link. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your browser, but it will always mention the image. Click that option, and this will copy the direct URL of the thumbnail to your clipboard. Now switch over to your Google Sheet. Decide where you want the thumbnail to appear and click on an empty cell. It's usually a good idea to reserve a column just for thumbnails, so your sheet stays organized and the images don't overlap important data. With the cell selected, you're going to use the image function. Type an =, then the word image, followed by an open parenthesis. Inside the parentheses, paste the URL you just copied from YouTube and put it in quotation marks. It should look like this: =image, open parenthesis, quotation mark, your pasted link, quotation mark, close parenthesis. After you've entered the formula, press enter. Google Sheets will fetch that URL and insert the actual thumbnail image into the cell. You'll see the picture appear right where your formula is. If the image looks a bit too big or too small, you can adjust the row height and column width so it fits better and your sheet stays clean and readable. And that's all you need to do. By repeating this process for each video, you can quickly build a visual dashboard of YouTube thumbnails directly inside Google Sheets.